Your Hyundai Sonata Hybrid uses a regenerative braking system to recuperate and store energy when the vehicle is decelerating. The system can be customized to suit your driving style, with 4 distinct levels of regenerative braking available. Level 3 regenerative braking provides the maximum amount of brake regeneration. Releasing the accelerator when Level 3 is engaged will provide strong braking forces and may cause the brake lights to illuminate. Level 2 and Level 1 provide lower amounts of brake regeneration and will still provide braking force. The brake lights may illuminate when Level 2 is engaged. Off provides no brake force, allowing the vehicle to coast when the accelerator is released. The 2 paddles on the steering wheel are used to adjust between the levels of regenerative braking in real time when the vehicle is not in sport mode. Briefly pulling and releasing the left paddle will increase the regenerative braking level by 1 each time you pull and release it. Doing the same on the right paddle will decrease the regenerative braking level. You can see the current regenerative braking level on the instrument cluster. Remember that the higher the regeneration level, the more braking you will feel when releasing the accelerator. You can choose which level is most comfortable for your driving. You can also use the Smart Regeneration system. When activated, it will control the regenerative braking automatically according to the road grade and approaching traffic in front of you. To turn it on or off, pull and hold the right paddle shifter for more than 1 second when the vehicle is not in sport mode. You will see the auto regenerative braking indicator. The system will operate at speeds above 6 miles per hour when the road grade changes or when the distance to vehicles ahead changes. Smart Regeneration will temporarily be disabled when the electronic stability control system is operating or the smart cruise control system is operating. Once those systems stop operating, Smart Regeneration will resume operation automatically. For more information on these and other features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and My Hyundai.